We have a lot of fruit here and we grow herbs here. We have our herbs in our garden. So that's why we eat just only jam with bakery. Why don't we put something and we have jam with the other things, or we have jam with food. That's why we come up with herbs.
And the one with chocolate,
Yes.
what prompted that one?
I have the memory of one of chocolate factory in San Francisco.
Ah,
They have fruit and chocolate together. First bite, I think it's sour and chocolate. So this is my impression. That's why I come here and I try my recipe.
and you chose mulberries. Why
Yes,
mulberries?
Yes,
Do you-
because the color combined with the chocolate, it's look like chocolate. Yeah, but when you have it, you have fruit also instead of only chocolate.